Hey y'all, all right, we're doing this thing again. Boot number 3. Out of the other 2, I would say this is definitely second easiest. Keep watching. All right, so a little overview of this video. Things you're gonna need is a hot glue gun sticks, preferably clear. You're going to need some rhinestones, any color, any size. I use different sizes even though they're all pretty small. And you're gonna need some E6000 glue. I also use a wax stick to pick up the rhinestones. If you don't have one, just be careful and drop them with your fingers. Any little nail place that sells things to do nails with sells those little wax sticks. So here I go, just starting to glue on the fur. All you do is place the glue on your boot where you want the fur to stick, and then you go back and you press the fur into it. Make sure you do not glue the zipper closed. All right, okay, so let's talk a little bit. You guys, I'm so proud to say that this, I think, has been my shortest, not even think, I know, edit of a video ever. I got this thing done literally, I mean, at this point it's been a couple of hours, but like I stopped and started. If I did it straight through, it probably would have been 1 hour. So anybody that edits videos, y'all know how long this stuff could take, like hours and hours. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. But right here, we're just finishing up the lining of the fur. I want to bring it all the way to the top and make sure I don't leave no spaces or gaps. And then at the end, you're just going to cut it off and press that last little piece in. Now on to the beads. And here's the little wax stick I was talking about. I only showed it for a second, but that's the wax stick. So you're just going to put some glue on the actual bow or wherever it is that you're putting the rhinestones on your boot. And you want to cover the whole thing in glue because you're not going to be going back adding glue after this. And then you're just going to take your rhinestones and put them in your hand. And I just dumped them on a plate. You can't see me dumping them on a plate, but they're on a plate right now. And I use my little wax stick picker-upper and I stick them onto the boot. The rest is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to go ahead and speed it on up. And you're going to do this until the whole space is full.
Explain myself.
And since you just repeat those steps over the entire part that you're covering with rhinestones, I stopped recording there. But this is how it's going to come out looking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please go ahead and like, comment, and please, please, please subscribe. Thank you. Till next time. Oh. Bye. So cow. Good like cow. Okay, and Loyalty had to speak of course now. Say bye. Where I cow go? Okay.